How to fix my iPhone volume going down automatically. If you're dealing with the frustrating issue of your iPhone's volume going down automatically in this video, I'll guide you through a few simple solutions to fix it. First, open your iPhone settings, scroll down, and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Make sure Change with Buttons is turned on. This allows you to adjust the volume using the physical buttons on the side of your iPhone. Next, attention-aware features can sometimes interfere with your volume. To turn them off, go to Settings, scroll down to Face ID and Passcode, and toggle off attention-aware features. If you're using headphones, head over to Settings and scroll down to Sounds and Haptics, then tap on Headphone Safety. Turn off Reduce Loud Sounds to make sure this feature isn't automatically lowering your volume. Sometimes apps can be the cause of the problem. To fix this, close all your running apps by swiping up from the bottom of the screen and swiping them away. After that, reopen the app causing the issue and adjust the volume manually. By following these steps, your iPhone's volume should stop decreasing automatically. Hopefully, this solves the problem. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.